Dad, what are you doing? I'm trying to distribute these 15 chocolates among you people. Wow, Dad, how will you do that? Let's first keep one chocolate each for 3 of you. Let's keep one chocolate again. Some more chocolates are left, so repeat the process until all the chocolates are distributed. Hey, see, all the chocolates are distributed. Now, how many chocolates are there in each group? Yes, 5 chocolates. So each of you will get 5 chocolates. This can also be written as 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. Is the symbol for division. 15 divided by 3 is read as 15 divided by 3. We can divide 15 chocolates equally among 3 children by repeated subtraction. Take 15 chocolates, give 5 chocolates to the first child. 10 chocolates are left. Give 5 chocolates to the second child. 5 are left. Give 5 chocolates to the third child. 0 are left. We have subtracted 5 from 15 3 times, so 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Remember what this is? Yes, this is a number line. We will give you this to solve examples of division. Consider 15 divided by 5. To solve this, we need to start from number 15 and then we have to jump backwards counting in stages of 5 at a time till you reach 0. How many times did you jump? Yes, 3 times. So 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. Now try this. 9 divided by 3. Division of a number by 1. Any number divided by 1 gives the same number. For example, 8 divided by 1 equal to 8. 20 divided by 1 equal to 20. 150 divided by 1 equal to 150. Division of a number by the same number. Any number divided by it gives 1. For example, 8 divided by 8 equal to 1. 20 divided by 20 equal to 1. 150 divided by 150 equal to 1. 0 divided by any number. 0 divided by any number is 0. For example, 0 divided by 6 equal to 0. 0 divided by 56 equal to 0. Division by 10. Any number ending in 0 is divisible by 10. For example, 50 divided by 10 equal to 5. 100 divided by 10 equal to 10. Terms. Dividend. The number to be divided is called the dividend. Divisor. The number by which we divide is called divisor. Quotient. The number that we get after division is called quotient. Remainder. The number which is left undivided is called the remainder. Verification of division. The product of the quotient and the divisor plus the remainder will be equal to the dividend. Division of one-digit number by a one-digit number. Example. Divide 8 by 4. Solution. Step 1. Read the multiplication table of 4 till the product is 8. That is, 4 into 2 equal to 8. Step 2. Write 2 in the quotient place. Write 8 below 8 and subtract. Therefore, quotient equal to 2, remainder equal to 0. Verification. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder equal to 4 into 2 plus 0 equal to 8. Division of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Divide 24 by 6. Solution. Step 1. Divide tens. But 2 is less than 6. So we take 2 tens and 4 ones. That is 24 ones. Divide 24 ones by 6. Read the multiplication table of 6 till the product is 24. That is 6 into 4 equal to 24. Step 2. Write 4 in the quotients place. Write 24 below 24 and subtract. Therefore, quotient equal to 4, remainder equal to 0. Can you divide 16 chocolates equally among 5 children? Take 16 chocolates. Give 3 chocolates to each of them. 1 chocolate is left over. So, we can't divide 16 chocolates equally among 5 children. The leftover is called the remainder. So, 16 divided by 3 equal to 5, remainder 1. 16 is called dividend, 3 is called divisor, 5 is quotient, 1 is the remainder. Division with remainder using the number grid. Divide 36 divided by 5. Solution. Color the first 5 numbers with light blue color. Color the next 5 numbers with light green color. Proceed similarly until we reach the number 36. Up to 36 there are 7 groups of 5 numbers and 1 is the remainder. Therefore, quotient equal to 7 and remainder equal to 1. Division of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number with remainder. Divide 26 by 6. Solution. Dividing 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Example 1. Divide 580 by 5. Step 1. Divide the hundreds. Write 1 in the quotient in the hundreds place. Write 5 below 5 and subtract. Step 2. Bring down 8 tens and divide. Write 1 in the quotient in the tens place. Write 5 below 8 and subtract. Step 3. Bring down 0 ones and divide. Write 6 in the quotient in the ones place. write 30 below 30 and subtract. Verification. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder equal to 116 into 5 plus 0 equal to 580. There are 80 apples in a basket to be equally put into 5 bags. How many apples are there in each bag? Solution. Total number of apples equal to 80. Number of bags equal to 5. Number of apples in each bag equal to 80 divided by 5 equal to 16. Total number of apples in each bag equal to 16. Example 2. Milkman has 72 liters of milk. He can put 8 liters in one container. How many such containers are required? Solution. Total quantity of milk equal to 72 liters. Quantity of one container equal to 8 liters. Number of containers required equal to 72 divided by 8 equal to 9. Therefore, milkman requires 9 containers.